Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ram 1500 Sport Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white. It looks great. You do have the decals on the hood there, as well as the bug deflector right there. You do have the chrome accenting on the grille, as well as the white bumper. It looks very nice. You do have bifunction projector style headlights there with your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with the BF Goodrich tires. The tires still have lots of tread left on them. The rims look very nice as well. We do have our Hemi badging there, as well as the heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals on them. And coming all the way around to the back, you get the 6-foot box and the RR edition. Now you do have the 4x4 badging, as well as you also have your handle there, and your dual exhaust pipes with the white bumper back here as well. Opening this up, you got lots of room back here, and it does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. We got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here with these guys bringing your mirrors. You have some chrome accenting there, handle here, storage here, and more down here with a water bottle holder there. Very nice interior as well. They are leather trim seats. They feel very comfortable. You do have your seat controls right here for the electric seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. Then over here we do have the controls over the lights, so the auto, the off, the daytime running lights and low beams, plus you press it in for the fog lights, and your in-cabin light control here. And then right here we do have the controls over the high beams, the turning signals, and the windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. C, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature. We got our battery on our oil there as well. Also tells us how many kilometers we have, and the temperature outside. We have what channel we're on, which way we're facing, and the gear we're in. Now we can switch that around a bit to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our audio, our stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. That is controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel, you do have volume up and down right here. As well, you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display here, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media devices here if you have one hooked up through USB, Bluetooth, aux cord, or SD card. You have your controls over your heated seat and heated steering wheel right there. You have your climate control here, and you do have the heat up and down and all that. Then you have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your settings right there. Down here we do have the controls over the 4-wheel auto, lock, low, and 2-wheel. And then we have the volume up and down here with the screen off, hazard lights, back button, and our browser there. AC and circulation, heat up and down, and the power there, as well as the off, and the front and rear defrost. Down here we have a traction control, heated seats, and then you also have your tow and haul mode there. Some storage here, plug in there. Then you got some storage here in your cup holders, and your gear shift, just like that. You have a little bit of storage in there as well. Then you have your armrest that doubles as a storage container with your coin holders there. And then over here we have an SD card slot, aux cord, and 2 USB plugins. We can close that up, open this up, and you got some room just in there as well. And then over here we do have a top layer glove box and a bottom layer right there with our owner's manual inside of it. And up top we do have a universal garage door opener, and this one does open a little window in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and a very nice interior back here as well. It is leather trimmed, and you can lift these up and fold these down like this, and you got a flat surface to lay stuff on top of. You can do the same with the other side, or lift it up and you got some additional storage right underneath there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2013 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.